Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be making this lovely little love heart box. These are great for Valentines or wedding favours, or just because I'm going to be giving them to my kids this year as part of their Valentine's Day, and it's so super simple to make. So I'm going to show you in the video. Now it comes in just 6 pieces. And these will all cut out of a single sheet of A4. You don't have to worry about measuring anything. I've worked it all out for you to make sure it all fits together really nicely. So all you have to do is cut and stick, and they actually go together really simply. So the first thing that I do is I make the top of the box, so the lid. We're going to make this bit here. Now for that you need the heart, which goes on the top, which is this one with the lovely picture cut out, and also the 2 shortest, so they're sort of the smallest bits to form the lid. Now this comes in 2 parts, and each half goes around sort of 1/2 of the heart. So I'm going to start with this side. I'm just going to put, so this is the top, which will be facing up, so I'm just going to turn it over. I put the glue, which I'm just using a glue stick here on the back, and so for this one, because it's going to be the lid and you'll see it from the top, the tabs are going to go on the inside of this one. To do that, I'm just going to start from the top and I'm going to work my way down. Just really carefully. It's good to take your time, make sure everything's stuck properly before you move on, and just work your way round the heart. Oh, round the heart. Now, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the paper that I'm using. So this paper is not very thick at all. It's a little bit thicker than your normal copy paper, so it's about 180 GSM, and that just means that it's quite easy to get that lovely bend in. You can use thicker paper if you want to, or more sort of card. There we go. And then just make sure everything's glued down well, so that just keeps that edge really tidy, so you can't see any of the tabs. So at the bottom of the heart now I have a flap, and I have obviously the edge, and there's no flap on this side. So when I do my next one, I need to make sure the flap bit, oops, can't see it there, the flap bit joins up to this edge here, and this edge without a flap joins up to that flap there. So I'm going to just put a little glue on the flap, and the rest of the glue on there, and a little bit of glue on this flap here. Ooh! Just throw that down there. Okay. So I like to start at the top, because then I can get a really neat edge on this flap here. And just put it down, use the surface to make sure everything's at the same height. Really make that corner nice and crisp. Give it a second just for the glue to start taking. Let your materials work for you, and then just work around, making sure that you're getting that really nice clean edge all the way around. Okay. Right to the bottom there. Again, just take a second, hold it for a second, make sure it glues, and just go around, check if you're happy with the edge, and making sure everything is nicely pressed down. Okay, see how easy that was? So you can take a little bit more time in yours, but that's done. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to do exactly the same with the bottom. So the bottom parts are the ones that are a little bit taller. Now it's going to be slightly different, slightly quicker, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to stick these tabs overlapping on the back. You'll see what I mean in a minute. That's because this is the bottom of the box and we won't see it. So, actually it's this, which one is it? It would be, yeah, this one. Yeah. So use that top part there. Really make sure you get a nice clean, make sure that one is in the right place, stick it down well, and then go. Just hold it for a second if you have to. It's worth the wait just to get the better finish to your project. Okay, there we go. And we'll go, and again just go all the way around. And so you can stick them on the inside like we did with the last project, with the lid, but I just find this is so much quicker and easier. You're not going to see the bottom, but I just do it this way. And then again, you've got the tab at the top here and not one at the bottom, so when you put this one on, you make sure the tabs meet up. So glue on the bottom. So you can take a bit more time, be a bit neater with all your glue. Just chucking it on just to get it so this video doesn't take forever. Okay. And again, we're just making sure we get that really nice clean line for this top part. Wait. Just stick that, just take a second, hold it in place. And then, glue's not sticking as well as I would like. All around to the end. Let's do that last time. There we go. Okay. Okay. Lovely. Make sure they all get stuck down well. Okay. And then you're ready to put the lid on. There we go. Perfect. So you can either leave it like this, or you can maybe put some tape around it, or you can even back this part with a different colour just to make it a little bit different. But even if you just leave it like this, it's still a lovely box. Thank you so much for watching. You can find all the relevant links underneath this video, and please leave your comments. Thank you.